What's up guys, welcome back to Kid Toy TV channel. Today we're going to take a look inside of this RC excavator. It's an engine sound unit in there that have been broken, so I'm going to replace the engine sound unit and I'll show you how it look inside. Alright, let's open it up. Look at that. You know, it's the same. It's running with, 28 ESC. I mentioned it before. But for the engine sound unit, I just go for direct power. So that means the sound unit won't be able to turn off. It will turn on by itself, no matter what. But for this one, I mixed the channel, so when the arm moves, the sound will run. The engine will run very smoothly. And this is the one that I like to use for the RC excavator, TG power. But you have to look at this model right here. This model right here. You guys see that? There you go. And I'll show you why I like this one for the excavator. Because they are easy to set up and they come with 54, 55 engine sound system. You can choose any sound you like. And also they have the volume. Where'd it go? Hang on guys. Where'd it go? Somewhere in there. Oh, never mind. Not this one. Not this one. This one right here. There you go. You see? 58. They have 58 sound. You can see all of that. Check that out. So yeah. So this is what I'm using for trucks. Number 55. Or you can use any of this. Choose the sound that you like. And I will show you the sound I like. Okay. Well, first I figure this is the problem that is burned, I believe. Oh wow, that's tight. That's really tight. Okay, hang on guys, let me pop that out. Alright, I just replaced that. So let's turn it on. So I'm just replacing the I believe it's a receiver, the main channel, the main keyboard. I mean the main board, I guess. Alright, let's turn it on. Let's see. Is it the lamp on? Oh, it's not turning on. Alright, let's go for number 55. Let's check 55. For this one, you see that? Every 5 seconds, they will turn off. Okay, but you have to set it up. There you go. Okay. You gotta...
Number 1. Number 3. Number 4.
Okay. So I'm going all the way to number 55.
Number 50.
Let's go backward. It's easier that way.
Number 58. Number 55.
Oh yeah. Actually, not try number 56.
56.
Alright, number 57.
Number 57. Number 58.
yeah, number 58 is seem better. Let's try that one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back and show you how to set it up really quick. First of all, you need to hold on, press on mode. There you go, and then choose.
Number 58.
And then you choose the number. All right, let's go for
Number 57. Number 58.
All right. After you choose the number, so I'm choosing the number 58. All you have to do just press on mode. Bam. There you go. That's already set up. All right, let's turn it on. We'll see how it works. There you go. And there you go. That's how you set up the engine sound unit for RC excavator. This one, remember that. Okay guys, if you have any question, drop down the comment and let me know, okay? Alright, that's pretty much all for today, and I hope you enjoy building your own excavator with cool sound unit. Thank you so much for watching.